Let me go. All right, so the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has said that it is monitoring the case involving Jamaican Peter Spencer, who died under mysterious circumstances in Ventura County, Pennsylvania, in the U.S. on December 12th. Now, Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith has received updates via the Consul General in New York, Alcyon Roach Wilson, who has sought information from Jamaica's liaison officer to the New York Police Department on behalf of the government.
Wow, this is sad. But the Consul General has also been in touch with Spencer's mother and provided guidance in terms of legal assistance and community support. So Senator Johnson-Smith said she shared the concerns held by the Jamaican diaspora about the lack of public information on the matter, but urged them to await the results of the investigation.
Now, it is reported that Mr. Spencer, who was 29, was shot 9 times while on a hunting trip with 5 white people. His family has complained that they have not received a satisfactory explanation for his killing as yet.
Yeah.
I would love some more information about the people who are doing, not that just that them white. You know, I mean...
I want to know every detail, like what happened, how did it happen? I feel like everything needs to just come out about it. Were these people his friends?
Yeah, man,
them know each other a long time? I don't understand.
It's shady. I mean, let me check the story again. Was it his wife that was seeking? I don't know. His mother.
His mother.
Like, okay, so to have 5 friends that you are comfortable and enough to go on a hunting trip with, your mother should
probably know about them or know who they are.
You would expect that somebody would know them. You know, because you have to be close to somebody to go on a hunting trip with them.
We hope, right? I mean, we hope.
That's a dangerous place. I mean, outdoors is dangerous, then the firearms you use is dangerous. Then it's a whole
are these people with experience? Have they done this before? There's so many unanswered questions, and I am not related to him, and I feel like it's having my mind a little bit frazzled. Yeah. So I can't imagine what his mother is going through. It's the unanswered questions that bother us, you know, when we don't know.
Yeah, it's a sad situation, but you know, we need info. We want justice.
Yeah, we want justice.
All right, so with a new year comes new concepts, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, or SVG, is definitely pushing the envelope on groundbreaking ideas as they explore the possibility of hosting a carnival in the metaverse. Now, the announcement came last weekend during the 2022 budget presentation by Minister of Culture, Carlos James, as he updated Vincentians on what may take place regarding their mass for 2022.
All right, so the island nation, through its Minister of Culture, has been in discussions with relevant entities to examine how best they can accommodate events occurring in a virtual space so that life can resume and people can get back to having fun and feeling normal again. This comes as rising numbers and COVID-19 protocols have made mass and other forms of annual revelry that generally would, you know, boost mass gatherings have come to a screeching halt.
COVID, he emphasized, has taught the people to reimagine how things are done.
Yes.
And therefore, it's only fitting that SVG is the first nation in the world to possibly begin the exploration of alternative platforms. He said that St. Vincent and the Grenadines can tap into the virtual space to provide the right avenues for creatives to express themselves and to earn revenue. I mean, it's a new topic, a new conversation, and for those who are unfamiliar with it, I suggest you Google it.
Okay, so partying in the metaverse speaks to utilizing 3D mixed concepts and fusing a real-world platform with a digital world, thus accommodating more people taking part in a series of activities, which in this case would be partying with the possibility of a metaverse mass. So Minister James said that his team is working assiduously with the health officials to put together a strategy that would work for both sectors so that people would be both safe and entertained.
Interesting.
Yeah. When I heard metaverse, I thought of Marvel.
Oh.
And Doctor
Strange.
Yeah.
Spider-Man too. I mean,
in
this
the
metaverse thing.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes. I kind of like it, you know. It has a buzz.
Yeah, for sure.
I want to see what it looks like.
Interesting, but I don't know. Like, I don't know. This virtual reality thing is, I don't know. I'm like old school same way, you know. Like,
we know.
Yeah, that's why your sweet dreams and all of these things. Like, you know, I kind of, there are certain things that I don't mind exploring and
Right.
experimenting with, but then there are certain things that is like, I don't
You're not
know.
so sure.
I don't know. Yeah, and the worst thing is, I might like it. And if I do like it, like, I don't want to spend my time in the metaverse. Like, I kind of like it here.
Well, there are dangers always.
Yeah.
Always, whether it's a good thing or not such a good thing, there are advantages and disadvantages. So, you know those movies that normally show people in virtual reality and they get stuck thinking that is their reality. They don't leave them house, they did it all the time, they don't beat and all them. It is possible that as we evolve,
me can tell you that
might
with the
become a
youths.
reality.
Me can tell you that with the youth.
Yeah.
Them drink water.
Listen, the phone right now, I'm having that challenge in my daughter. The phone is it.
Man.
So imagine if I can put on a reality with goggles or something and be in it. It can be very dangerous.
Yeah, that's the future still, you know. Only
Yes.
people are going to have pseudo-physical interactions.
That's right.
Yeah, you
Yes,
know.
I'm telling you.
it's
So
a
we
thing.
have to be very aware. Very aware. Oh gosh, 20, 30, 40, 50 years from now, what's going to happen?
Wow, may have some bad up big ups, you know.
Bad up, big ups?
Like very bad up.
Why do you always get bad up, big
No, but
ups?
it's really
You
rough
get-
now. Like, it's been a while, and them start really bad me up now. Like,
The only
you have to
two
be careful of
people
road.
on Daytime Life who don't get bad up big ups would be Nisha and me.
Yeah, them
You
not
and
gonna big
Gov't
you up. Them not gonna bad you up, I
always
mean. You know,
get
pretty
bad
people.
up.
Pretty people don't get bad up. Pretty people. All right, so the first one is happy birthday to Ainsworth Lawson in St. Bess, and this is coming from his wife Dawn and his children. So big up and happy birthday.
That was a bad up,
Mr.
alright.
Mr. Ainsworth. That was a bad up, but I never me get the bad up for that
Okay.
one. This one is a bad up. Big up to Rishan from Capital Executive Protection Services, so a security guard.
Yeah,
bad up.
no, yeah. If you
Me
get
can't
that
take
bad,
them
no,
check
you
that.
know,
Me can't
yeah.
take no. Me can't take them
That
check.
and policeman bad up, you have to just do it.
Immediately.
Just do it.
Police, soldier, yeah.
Yeah.
Immediately. Big up also to Vanessa from Delta Supplies and Company. She really helped me the other day with some problems that I was having with some power tools. Yeah, and she did it without knowing that it was me she was helping. And I really appreciate that. Very
Yeah.
good customer service. So, Vanessa from Delta Supplies and Company. Big
Yeah,
up
big up
yourself.
Vanessa. I'll
Yeah,
pass
yeah.
by for a little help myself. All right, so we're going to take a quick break here on Daytime Live. And when we come back, we have more buzz.
Buzz. Buzz. Buzz.